In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Trello form to Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have the Google Sheets integration added to your Trello board so your form-driven cards can flow into a spreadsheet for easier tracking and reporting. Start on your Trello boards page. This is your home base where all your boards live. If you're starting from scratch, look for the Create button at the top. That opens the standard Trello creation menu. You can set up a fresh board here, which is great if you're preparing a dedicated space for form submissions. If you already have a board ready, no problem. Just skip creating and open the board you want to connect. The important thing is that you're inside the board where your form responses will land. Once you're in the board, look toward the top of the page for power-ups. Power-ups are Trello's add-ons that extend what your board can do, and they're exactly how we'll bring Google Sheets into the picture. Click Power-ups, then choose Add Power-ups. This opens the directory where you can browse all available integrations. In the directory, you can scroll and explore, but the fastest route is to use the search bar. Type Google Sheets. You're looking for the official Google Sheets power-up, which will let your Trello board send information to a spreadsheet and keep things organized for reporting or sharing with your team. Selecting the correct listing ensures a smooth setup and better reliability. When you see Google Sheets, click Add. You might first land on the Power-Ups details page, which gives a quick overview of what it does and any usage notes. From there, click Add again to enable it on your board. This two-step add flow is normal. The first click brings you into the listing, and the second turns it on for your board. Once the power-up is added, you'll see it listed under your board's power-ups panel. That means the connection option is now available right inside your board. If you don't see the power-ups menu or the add button, double check that you have board admin access and that your workspace allows power-ups. Also, if search results look crowded, refine your search term to Google Sheets to find the official listing quickly. That's it. Your Trello board now has the Google Sheets integration ready to use. With this in place, you can align your form-based workflows so submissions in Trello can be captured and organized in a sheet, making analysis, filters, and sharing much easier. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.